Hey, welcome back, Math 8. Writing linear functions word problems. All right, again, another word problems. Again, not that difficult. We can do this, okay? The pressure at sea level is 1 atmosphere, and it increases at a constant rate as depth increases. So when Sydney dives to a depth of 23 meters, the pressure around her is at 3.3. So first things first is we got to figure out how fast is this pressure right here growing. It went from 1 to 3.3. So we know that if we take where it's at right now, 3.3, and subtract that from the 1 where it started at, we know that it has gone up 2.3 atmospheric pressures. Okay. Now, it did that as you dove down to a depth of 23 meters. So we simply take the 2.3 and we divide that by the 23 meters, and that gives us a decimal, which is 0.1. So that's our unit rate, which is the number that goes in front of the variable. In this case, the variable is x. So we're going to write 0.1x right here. And we know that it started at 1 atmospheric pressure. That's what sea level is. That's where it started. So what it's going up or down by, in this case, it's going up 0.1 pressure per meter that we swim. X is how many meters you're going. And it started at number 1. Let's do one more. Nayla is escaping from a dragon's lair. She's running towards the entrance at a speed of 9.5 or 9.2 meters per second. So right there, they gave us the unit rate. The entrance is 180 meters away, so they're also giving us the y. We don't have to do any calculations on this. They're giving us. So our unit speed is 9.2. So we are getting 9.2 meters closer to the 180, or we're subtracting 9.2 meters for every second we run. So we write that as negative 9.2 t. We're taking away 9.5 meters away from our total distance of 180 for each second that we run. And we start at 180 meters away. Hopefully that makes sense. That's all I got for you guys. See you later. Bye-bye.